Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken meat stock for baby. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of organic chicken parts like wings or backs for rich flavor. Also, prepare 1 large carrot, 1 celery stalk, and half an onion, roughly chopped. Don't forget a splash of apple cider vinegar and enough filtered water to cover everything. These simple items are the foundation for a nutritious stock. Now let's get cooking. Rinse your chicken parts well and place them into a large stock pot. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion, along with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Pour in about 8 cups of filtered water, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Bring the pot to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. This slow cooking is key. During the first hour of simmering, you'll notice foam rising to the top. Use a spoon to carefully skim this off, as it contains impurities. Let the stock gently simmer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even longer for a richer flavor. Once cooled slightly, strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the solids. You only want the pure, nutrient-dense liquid. Once your stock is strained, let it cool completely to room temperature. This prevents condensation and keeps it fresh. Pour the cooled stock into small, freezer-safe containers or even ice cube trays for convenient portioning. It will last in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or you can freeze it for several months. When ready to serve, simply warm a portion gently and offer it to your baby as a nourishing drink or mixed into purees.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.